technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a negative note today, and for the first couple of hours of the trading session, the Nifty was trading in a negative zone and with a negative bias. However, it took support at the 83.50 odd levels where the 40-hour moving average was placed, and thereafter it never looked back. It ended the day with a 40-point gain in today's trading session. So from the day's low, it was a 70-point rally to today's closing. The market was also positive with 841 advances to 701 declines. State Bank of India, Reliance and Tata Motors were the star performers from the Nifty pack in today's trading session. ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Ultratech Cement and Larsen & Toubro were some of the stocks which closed with negative gains in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed at an all-time high. It has surpassed the previous high of 8415. We expect the positive momentum to continue on the upside. On the upside, 8475, which is when we join all the tops, all the current tops, then we get a resistance trend line at 8475. So just in case the Nifty is forming an ending diagonal pattern in wave 5 on the upside, then it should face resistance at 8475 on the upside. Above that pattern mostly or will be negated, since the structure will not fit. The structure of an ending diagonal is generally a narrowing structure, and once that level is breached on the upside, then the structure shall not look like an ending diagonal pattern. So above 8475, we expect the market can rally more swiftly on the upside and move up till the daily upper Bollinger Band, which is placed around 8600 on the upside. So once we surpass 8475, then 8500, which is the psychological level, and above that 8600 is the expectation for Nifty in the coming trading sessions. So traders can hold on to their long positions. Now moving on to the hourly charts, you can observe that after opening slightly on a weaker note, the Nifty took support around the 40-hour exponential moving average, and thereafter it never looked back. It is trading above the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. It is trading along the hourly upper Bollinger Band, indicating that the positive momentum shall continue on the upside. So we continue to maintain a positive stance on Nifty for a target of 8500 on the upside. Crucial supports are placed at 8376 and 8350, which is today's low. On the upside, 8475, 8500 and 8600 are crucial resistances. On the hourly charts of Nifty, we can observe that the hourly momentum indicator has now given a sharp pullback on the back of today's sharp rise in price, which is also having a positive crossover. So the hourly momentum indicator has given a positive crossover, so any dip should be used as a buying opportunity. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, as we pointed out in our earlier updates, that if it crosses above the previous swing high, then the extension for Bank Nifty shall begin. Today, in today's trading session, the previous swing high has been breached by more than 10 to 12 points. So we feel that the extension on the upside has begun. Today we saw banking stock, especially State Bank of India, gaining around 6% in today's trading session. Bank of Baroda was on the positive, closed on a positive note, same with Punjab National Bank. So the public sector banks are the flavor of the market currently, and we expect the positive momentum to continue in them, and the private sector banks should also join in the coming trading sessions. Since the Bank Nifty has started extension on the upside, and ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank have some amount of weightage, HDFC Bank have some amount of weightage in the Bank Nifty. So we expect the positive momentum in these private sector banks also to come in, and which will take the Bank Nifty higher. Crucial resistance on the upside for Bank Nifty is placed at 17,800 and 18,000, which is psychological level. On the downside, crucial supports are placed at 17,470 and 17,390. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. On the Nifty 8475 is a crucial resistance, or is a crucial level to watch out for. Above that we see the Nifty trading higher up till 8500 and 8600 on the upside. That's all for the day. Thank you.